Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of building your own home but unsure where to start? Finding the perfect plot of land is a crucial first step in realizing your dream. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps and considerations to help you find the most suitable land for your new home. So grab a glass of sweet tea and let's get started. Before you dive into the exciting world of land hunting, it's important to define what you're really looking for in a property. Think about your lifestyle, your family's needs, and your long-term goals. Do you envision a cozy cottage in the woods, or a modern farmhouse on a sprawling acreage? Consider factors such as location, lot size, desired amenities, and proximity to schools or workplaces. Do you crave city life, the peace of the suburbs, or the wide-open spaces of the countryside? Each environment offers unique charm and considerations. Once you have a clearer picture of your ideal location, think about the size of the lot that would best accommodate your dream home and any outdoor living spaces you envision. Are you hoping for a neighborhood with a community pool, walking trails, or a playground? Proximity to schools, workplaces, and essential services is also crucial. The most important thing is to find a place where you can truly envision yourself putting down roots and creating a home filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. Now that you have a good grasp of your dream property, let's talk about the financial aspect of land acquisition. Determining your budget is crucial for a smooth and successful home building journey. Start by assessing your financial situation, including savings, income, and any potential loans you may qualify for. Researching land prices in your desired areas will give you a realistic idea of what to expect. Remember that the purchase price of the land is just one piece of the puzzle. Factor in additional expenses like site preparation, utilities, permits, and potential landscaping. Site preparation costs can vary depending on the condition of the land. Connecting to utilities like water, electricity, sewage, and gas can also add up, especially if the land is in a remote area. Obtaining the necessary permits from your local municipality is essential before you can begin construction. By creating a comprehensive budget that includes all potential costs, you can avoid financial surprises and ensure that you're making sound financial decisions throughout the process. Now comes the fun part: exploring potential locations for your dream home. With your needs and budget in mind, it's time to dive into the world of real estate and discover what's out there. Thankfully, we live in a digital age where information is readily available at our fingertips. Online resources like real estate websites, local listing services, and interactive maps can provide a wealth of information about available land parcels in your desired areas. Start by narrowing down your search based on your preferred location, lot size, and budget. Browse through listings, view photos, and take virtual tours to get a feel for the properties that catch your eye. Don't underestimate the power of local real estate agents. These professionals have their fingers on the pulse of the market and can provide valuable insights into neighborhoods, property values, and potential opportunities. Visiting potential locations in person gives you a true sense of the surroundings, the community, and whether it aligns with your vision. Chapter 4. Consider accessibility and infrastructure. When selecting the perfect plot of land for your dream home, it's easy to get swept away by breathtaking views and the allure of a peaceful setting. However, it's crucial to consider the practical aspects of accessibility and infrastructure, as these factors can significantly impact your daily life and the overall enjoyment of your property. Start by evaluating the accessibility of the land in terms of roads and transportation. Are there well-maintained roads leading to the property, or would you need to navigate dirt roads that could become treacherous during inclement weather? Consider the proximity to public transportation if you or your family members rely on it for commuting or running errands. Next, investigate the availability and reliability of essential utilities. Water, electricity, and sewage systems are fundamental for modern living. Ensure that the land has access to these utilities and inquire about the associated connection fees, which can vary depending on the location and provider. By carefully considering accessibility and infrastructure, you can ensure that your dream home is not only beautiful, but also functional and well-equipped for comfortable and convenient living. Chapter 5. Assess the land's suitability. Now that we've covered the practical aspects of accessibility and infrastructure, let's delve into the physical characteristics of the land itself. Assessing the land's suitability for building your dream home is a crucial step that should never be overlooked. Start by examining the topography, or the lay of the land. Is it relatively flat, gently sloping, or steeply graded? The topography will influence the design of your home, the placement of the foundation, and the overall cost of construction. Next, dig a little deeper. Literally. Soil quality plays a vital role in the stability and drainage capabilities of your property. Consider having a soil test conducted to determine its composition, bearing capacity, and any potential issues like expansive clay or high water tables. Understanding the drainage patterns on the land is essential to prevent water damage and ensure proper runoff. By thoroughly assessing the land's physical characteristics, you can make informed decisions about its suitability for your dream home and avoid costly surprises down the road. Chapter 6. Engage professionals. Building a home is an exciting endeavor, but it also involves navigating complex processes and making informed decisions. That's where the expertise of professionals comes in. Engaging the right professionals can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Real estate agents, with their knowledge of the local market, can guide you towards suitable land options, negotiate purchase agreements, and facilitate a smooth closing process. Land surveyors are essential for determining the exact boundaries of the property, identifying any easements or encroachments, and providing accurate measurements for construction plans. Architects bring your vision to life by transforming your ideas into functional and aesthetically pleasing designs. Experienced builders play a crucial role in turning those blueprints into reality. Remember, building a home is a collaborative effort, and assembling a team of trusted professionals will contribute to a smoother and more successful outcome. Chapter 7. Conduct due diligence. As you approach the finish line of your land buying journey, it's crucial to exercise due diligence and ensure that you're making an informed and confident decision. Due diligence involves thoroughly investigating all aspects of the property and its surroundings to uncover any potential red flags or hidden issues. Start by reviewing zoning laws and land use regulations in the area. These regulations dictate how the land can be used, the types of structures that can be built, and any restrictions on building height, setbacks, or property usage. Research any potential future developments in the area that could affect your property value or quality of life. Are there plans for new roads, commercial buildings, or industrial parks that could alter the character of the neighborhood? Order a title search to verify the seller's ownership rights and uncover any liens, easements, or encumbrances on the property. By conducting thorough due diligence, you can minimize risks, avoid costly surprises, and proceed with your land purchase with confidence, knowing that you've done your homework. Chapter 8. Make an informed decision. Congratulations! You've reached the final stage of your land buying journey, making an informed decision. After weeks or even months of research, planning, and careful consideration, it's time to trust your instincts and choose the plot of land that best fits your vision, budget, and long-term goals. Take some time to revisit your initial list of needs and preferences. Does the land you're considering align with your must-haves and deal-breakers? Review your budget and ensure that you're comfortable with the purchase price, closing costs, and any additional expenses associated with preparing the land for construction. Trust your gut feeling. Sometimes a property just feels right. If you found a piece of land that speaks to your heart, meets your practical needs, and fits within your budget, it might be the perfect place to call home. Outro your dream home awaits. Finding suitable land to build your new home involves careful planning, research, and consideration of various factors. By defining your needs, setting a budget, researching locations, assessing suitability, consulting professionals, and conducting due diligence, you can confidently select the perfect plot of land for your dream home. Follow these steps, and you'll be one step closer to turning your dream into reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone else who might find it helpful.